Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Telly Masala.
किस तरह ये आप हाउ डू यू सेट एंड मेक श्योर कि हर एक किरदार इतना अलग दिखे?
हर एक किरदार इतना अलग because thanks to directors like Nupur who actually put their confidence in me and say okay this is another one we'd like Suchitra to do. जब ये project मेरे पास आया, I mean Nupur ने फ़ोन किया, बोला कि here's another one after Hip Hip Hooray, after Hoobahu, the stuff that we've done together years ago. Everything that I've done with her has been absolutely memorable. Kids today are still watching Hip Hip Hooray on YouTube, so when it came to this, she said, this is the story and I want you to play the mother of one of the boys and you're South Indian. I was like, yes, yes, yes. I said, and can I have grey hair? And she said, yeah. She said, you're the first actress who probably wants to have grey hair, and not. I said, yeah, I want it for the character. So we put it in there and it's been such a wonderful experience. The new talent, brilliant. I mean, we were blown away watching it, watching the screening. These two boys are just absolutely incredible. I'm sure you've seen it. They're most natural and the way they both come across, Rajiv Siddhartha and Manraj Singh, I mean, just brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So I'm so proud of them, like a mom, so proud and so proud to be part of it as well, really.
सब्जेक्ट ही ऐसा है कि
जी,
ये
love story. Yes. मैं ज़रूर ये कहूँगी कि इट्स अबाउट टाइम कि दुनिया भर में लोग उठ के रियलाइज़ करें कि दिस इज़ रियलिटी, दिस रियली इज़ रियलिटी. एंड आखिर बात किस बात की है? इट्स अबाउट लव, प्यार के बारे में बात है. दो लड़के हो, दो लड़कियाँ हो, लड़का लड़की, पेरेंट्स, फ्रेंड्स, it's all about love and that is a universal subject. वो एकदम ही universal है. Everyone knows and has felt it sometime in their life. So why not be open to the idea कि आप ये भी देख लें, and if it's done in such a beautiful way, which it really has been thanks to Nupur Asthana, I mean, I really don't see any reason why they shouldn't be watching it because the way it's come across is so natural. All I'd like to say to people who haven't seen it yet, please download Alt and watch this because it's so well done. You will not feel awkward. You can sit with your parents and watch it. I mean, I know the actors sat with their family and watched it yesterday, the kissing, the whatever it was. There was no awkwardness. There's no awkwardness between the actors, बिल्कुल ही नहीं है, and between and amongst the people who were watching it. So it's been made in such a way that we're not here to create sensation. We're here to show reality, and I think she's done it beautifully. Hello, मैं हूँ सुचित्रा पिल्ले और आप देख रहे हैं टेली मसाला.